So it's a quick video on the Stellar Business Keypad on this safe, which is a DRAT DRS Prisma Grade 1 safe. Just to explain the sort of differences between how you use this safe, because it's slightly different to a regular keypad where you just enter your code. You have to tell it which user you are first, because you can have up to 10 users for the safe, 0 to 9. But from the factory, it comes set up with one user, which is user 0. So you simply just have to, before you can open it, it's locked at the moment, you have to press this button, then 0, and then the factory default code, which you would change for user 0, is 1 through 6. Then if we listen, we hear the little motor whir, and then we can turn that and open the safe. Unlike most safes or most keypads, when you shut the door and lock that, which throws the bolts back, you still have to tell the keypad to be locked. So you then press C. There's the little motor sound, and now the safe is actually locked. We're londonsafes.co.uk, and if you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.